Learning to use the toilet comes differently for all children, and we all learn at our own pace. Children start to develop control of their bowels around 24 to 30 months. And some skills they need to demonstrate to be able to use the potty will be walking and being able to pull their pants up and down, to be able to get onto and off the potty with some help, and to be able to follow instructions. Your child may be ready to start learning to use the potty when they are dry for 2 or more hours, or when they're dry after they've waken up from a nap, or when you are noticing your toddler copying your toileting behavior. If your child goes to hide during their business, it can be time to introduce the bathroom as their new place to go. As they're learning about themselves, they're learning that they would like to be alone and comfortable when it's time for them to go. And so offering the bathroom space might be just what they need. If there are some big changes happening in your life, such as a move or pregnancy and a new baby or a new child care, or even something as switching from crib to bed, it may be best to wait until your child is more familiar with their new setting. And if potty training is a go, toddlers love having a say. So if you give your toddler a choice each day of potty, pull-up, or diaper, they'll feel more confident and in control about using the potty. This is also a wonderful opportunity to introduce vocabulary words for body parts and urine and bowel movements as well. It's important to remember that everyone learns at their own pace and that accidents are going to happen, and it is part of the process. Being patient and finding out what works for you and your toddler is really going to benefit your little one's learning. Preparing your toddler for the toilet by introducing a child-sized potty is really going to boost their confidence. Asking your child if they need to go is going to allow them to practice checking their own body before they give you an answer. And this helps them familiarize themselves with their own bodily functions. And by modeling your own toileting behavior, they are learning the steps that they need to learn to use the potty. And offering to use the potty every 2 hours to stay consistent and keep up a routine. Your child is just learning a new valuable life skill that's going to build their confidence. Allowing them to use the potty when they feel comfortable and ready, it is going to boost their self-help skills. If you notice some power struggles, taking a break from potty learning may take some pressure off until your little one is showing interest or readiness. They may not be ready for potty learning quite yet, and there is nothing wrong with taking a break and coming back to it when your child is ready. Learning to use the potty is going to look different for all children because they all learn at their own pace, and what works for someone else may not work for you. And that's okay, because finding out what works out best for you and your toddler is really going to give you both the most of the experience. Thank you all for watching. Bon appétit.